So, we are going to unbox this one. It's on sale right now. And I see there's a lot of tape down here. That works on this side. Do we have tape here? Yeah. Looks like a little bit of tape here. There it is. Look at it. Has a nice handle, long handle, manual, how to use it, styrofoam, and there it is. And that's it for the unboxing part. Plus, in the moment, my battery dies for my camera. But I know that you guys like short, brief unbox video. This thing is heavy though. Wow. Professional.